Okay, let's see. The Newman's family room measures 22.5 feet by 20 feet. They're looking to paint the ceiling and the floor. What is the total area to be painted? Okay, so whenever you can visualize the problem, whenever you could draw a sketch to represent the problem, I always think that's a good idea. So let's go ahead and uh, draw the floor. Okay, so there's uh, the floor. The floor measures 22.5 by 20, and if we are painting the floor and the ceiling, well, there's going to be two of these. So let's. Ooh. Okay, so same dimensions. The floor and the ceiling are the same size, and so if we're painting, uh, that means we're looking for the area. So we want, if we're painting the floor, we need the area of the floor, and the area of the ceiling is going to be the same. So once we find the area of the floor, we could just double that, and that'll give us the area of the floor and the ceiling. So formula for area, and in the case of a rectangle, area equals length times width. Okay, so in this case, the length and the width, so we have 22.5 by 20. Okay, so that'll give us the area, let's say, of just the floor. Whatever we get for this answer, we will double it because there's the floor and the ceiling. Okay, so again, I recommend just using the calculator for this, but if you want to do this by hand, let's convert that mixed number to a fraction. So 22.5, 2 times 22 is 44, and 1 is 45. So the 22.5, that'll be 45 over 2, and we'll multiply that by 20, which is 20 over 1. Okay, and top times top, bottom times bottom. So 45 times 20, that'll give us 900. Oop. And on the bottom, 2 times 1 is 2. And 900 over 2, well, that's 900 divided by 2, so that's a total of 450. So the area of the floor, well, that's going to be 450, and our units are square feet. So the length is 22.5 feet, the width is 20 feet, so the area will be measured in square feet. So if the floor is 450 square feet, well, that means the ceiling is, assuming the walls aren't slanted, assuming it's straight up and down, the area of the ceiling is 450 square feet. So ceiling, or floor plus ceiling equals total, so that will be a total of 900 square feet to paint. Okay, and that does it for our final answer, 900 square feet.